All right, so we've got the boxes open. They're brand new, factory sealed and everything still, and I'm gonna get this thing replaced. Okay, we got our instructions here, which they kind of suck. Sorry, Xerox, if you're hearing this. Because what is that piece? It doesn't really come with it, so I'll do my best to see if we can figure what that is. Where's that down in here? Well, that's the bag, I think, to put the thing in. So, okay, so here we go. So we're gonna open the thing up. You can see it still says out of toner. So open it up, get the old one, or basically brand new one, but not the one you just sent. Put that back here. And then from what I saw online, I watched the video. It says you pull this guy out. That's supposed to be our drum. So we'll take this, and which we replaced in July-ish, I think, because I bought toner around then, and that was after we'd already replaced the drum. And you see I ordered that on 7/27. So we're gonna try this. Let's open up this drum and put it in there. So, Lena June, will you help open this up? Here's the scissors that we brought. So you go open it. Okay, I need you to probably do the scissors part. So I need someone who has. Well, just put it on the ground. Yeah. And then so cut towards. Oh, let's see. Cut. Oh wait, look. It has the thing that you can just tear open. Tear it. Ooh, you gotta be a little bit better at that.
I'm not the greatest.
So you need to make it so it stays tearing, okay? Depends on how you hold it. There you go, okay. So, there you go. So now, got a brand new thing. Hold on a sec. Pull it down on the bottom. That comes out. Okay, so we have our new drum. And it has a factory thing on it. Let's see if our instructions kind of tell us what to do here. Oh, that's that thing. There it is, I found it. Okay, so let me just set it here for now. I'm not gonna actually put it in. Okay, so we pull the thing out to okay, so what does this say? So with this, I'm not sure what this is telling me. Do I need to put that thing on there? Oh, this is like to clean it or something? Yeah, as you can see, this one's like all clean. I think this is from when we replaced it recently. So, is that to take the thing off? Okay, watch out. I need you not just playing it here. Sorry, girl. Love you. Okay, you can tell I put it on there like that. And then just rubbing it along that, like I saw on the instructions are there. Put it back and see it's pretty clean there. I'll replace that in a little bit. I got a new one, it looks like, right? Comes with it, so we'll just call that good. Now let's put that drum in there that I set aside for a second there. So we'll take off the orange thing. Set this down. Leans, will you come here?
Yeah.
Can I have your help being the camera woman for just a moment?
Yeah, I'll be the camera woman.
Okay, so hold on to that.
Hello, I'm the camera.
So make it so you can see what we're looking at here. So I'm going to pull off this orange thing. There we go. Seems to have it coming. I don't want to touch it. Be careful here. Okay. Pull that off. So I'm going to be very careful. Just place this in here. Okay, so now I have the new drum in, from what I can tell. Okay, now let's take the brand new cartridge in here. I should probably show you the other things I did. Okay, so I'm gonna shake it. I think that's what it usually tells you. Shake it.
Give it some shaking. Shake it.
Like a Polaroid picture, right? Okay. So now we're gonna place this in here, and let's see if we get all the way in. Okay, so it's all the way in now. Let's look at the boxes so you can see what the models are. This is the model of the toner. And then there's the model of the drum. There's the model, probably right there. My guess, going into this serial number. Okay, and we're gonna see what happens. Wait 1 sec. Right now is not time to ask me questions. In a second you will. So it still says we're out of toner. So everything seems like it's there. We're just kind of waiting now. Still telling me this. So I'm not gonna open the front door until the status is updated. So now we used to get some clicking noises sometimes, but I'm not hearing those things. Those clicking noises usually came from down here, but okay, still not hearing anything. Nothing's changing. It's giving me that red hue. It's still giving me no toner. So device says it has. Oh, still saying the toner thing. So, you know, I used to work in IT, so what they used to tell me is we'll turn it off and turn it back on. See if that does anything, because it's kind of stopped making the noises, so it's making me think that maybe we need a power cycle. So, okay, so now it's fully off. Can't hear anything coming from it, no fans, no nothing. And let's try starting this up again. I tried turning it on. Let's try it again. Maybe I didn't push that hard enough. There we go. Maybe I have to double press it, looks like. So there we go. It's making noises. So booting up. That went straight off. So nothing happened that time. Let's try turning it on again. So now it's doing something different that it usually doesn't do. There we go. Finally got it to go again. So, okay, at least made some. Tried to control some motors, at least it sounds like. So my daughter's in the background. the boot up again.
That was loud.
And just a lot of toner. We just replaced it. Saw this video doesn't even have a cut in it. The other cut was just so you can see my, or you didn't have to watch me open some boxes. So yeah, so it says once cartridge is replaced, do not open the front door till the toner cartridge status is updated. Well, seems that it tried to update and it's still saying it's out of toner. Like I said, these two should be full, and one of them might be half full. That one should be full. So I think two of these are brand new. One of them is, you know, half used, and then that's a brand newish drum. Like I think we got that in July. So, you know, I can open this up again because it feels like it's not even trying to read things right at this moment. It's been in this state when we turned it off and we turned it back on. So if we open it, this is how it's secured. It's in there all the way. I pushed pretty hard on that. And then shutting that door. Let's see if it'll give it a chance one more time to redo its thing. This makes me think it's trying to do stuff. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you from it, but see, it seems like it's still trying to do things. So yeah, there's something wrong with this thing. We don't know what it is, and I think we've even looked in here, which seems to be more like circuit board style stuff, which isn't terribly helpful for me, that's not a user replaceable part. So yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to call me or whatever. My number is 435-764-6840. My email is chrisjensen23@gmail.com. That's CHRISJENSEN23@gmail.com. So thanks for watching. I know it sucks, but I hope we can get this going.